so
Did you ever think this would be your undoing, Marty?
You're a very bad man.
Marty. I hate to spend due time for that, man. I'd hate it. No comments? All right, brother. You trained me well, Marty. You trained me well. That's him.
Oh, wow.
That's the devil himself.
That's interesting.
Yeah, speaking truth to power, man.
Yeah, no comment. That's all you.
What do you think, Brooke? What do you think? You want to incriminate yourself, you can talk. What do you think? Dr. Asbell, you have any comments? No comments? Come on, guys, you can do better than that. It's going to be tough eating lunch after this, huh? Pretty hard to stomach. How you doing?